up until I moved up here, that bike was getting ridden, 100 miles a week. Still, it's rideable. I just air up tires, ready to go. And that bike right now, just the purple section you see there is $1,800 just for that piece. So that whole bike, way it sits there, and I have extra tires and wheels sitting over here for it, it's $8,000 for that bike, is what that bike's valued at. It's showroom condition, mint showroom condition they call it. So, and this is my fat tire bike that Scott has 2 of them and I have this one. We ride these around up here. And that's my wife's original bike. That bike's probably 15 years old. But she can't ride now, she broke her back. But that, you look at it, it's got aluminum frame and everything else on it. It's actually a really nice bike. And I turn around and I put a new derailleur on it for her, and I changed out handlebars, and I put different tires on it. And we put a big old fat seat on it for her. That bike's been around Mackinac Island, and it's been all over, so, yep. Now, look there, we got all kinds of snow scrapers. Man, I got so many. If I ever say I need another snow scraper, I'm gonna kick myself. Then I got that's a parts one. This is a good one. This one here, the wind destroyed it. So I kept it for the parts for this one if I ever need it. So, yeah, these are my fishing kayaks. We got 2 of them, me and my wife, and our paddles. Our paddles are back here. This is a hammock. Yep, car lamps. My RC stuff. There's a pit bag with parts in it, and there's my straps for my Ranger in that one. Then we got my creeper. I got parts here. I got stuff in this bag. I don't know what I got in here. I just got odds and ends stuff. Just some odds and end crap sitting in there. Yep. That's a Grand Tour, 5-second tour with my wife's dirty 2024 Ford Edge. That's a great car. It's got a twin scroll turbo 2-liter in it, and it puts out 260 horsepower. So this thing does pretty good. Yeah, this is private. We're an association. We have absolutely, this time of year, I'll shut my mouth for a few, but this time of year, this is what we have. Just listen. This is all you get. Peace and quiet. You hear the birds every now and then. You don't hear helicopters flying over for Aeromed, or you don't have cars racing up and down. Summertime, it gets a little noisy because everybody and their brother up here rides them. So, yeah. Oh, this white thing here, Scott gave me. This is a little wash machine, like for an apartment. I use it to wash all my shop rags with. In the summertime, I pull it up and put it between the doors, and I just run a garden hose to it. And I got soap out here, and I just wash my rags and take them in the house, put them in the dryer. So that's how I wash my rags up now. So, yep. But like out here, you'd be surprised at stuff that I got sitting here. I'll show you something. Oh, that's not the right box. It's this one. Let's see here. What's this one? Oh, yeah, right here. Look at. I'll show you something cool, guys. You guys are going to see the cool stuff. Means the truck's out of here. I'll show you what I got. Hold on. Don't want to drop the phone.